Hi, this is Joe with Technical Prospects coming to you again with another tech tip. Today we'll be discussing how to access and save your files for your tube history on your CT system. Accessing our service files for our CT tube on a Siemens CT scanner, we'll go to Options, Service, Local Service, then we'll enter our service key. And once our service software opens up, we're going to go to Reports. On the left here, you'll see Tube. And to record our tube history, we'll go to All Histories. And within here, you'll see our current tube. Here's today's date, January 19th, 2021. Scan second count, 433,828. And if you were to look when it was replaced, here's the actual replaced date of the tube that's currently installed, which was 11/18/2020. And that tube went up to 431,439 scan seconds, for example. So now we want to save our file. File type, we'll leave it here as a zip. We're going to go to Extract. So now the file has been saved in our C drive. And to access that file, we'll just go back to our C drive to access that file and save it. And for more tips like this, please review our resources on our webpage at technicalprospects.com.